to the upcoming World Championships in Tokyo, you all realize that for the first time in over 15 years, the women's 100 meters will run off without a Jamaican woman favored to win the gold medal. The American Melissa Jefferson Wooden will have to drop in a hole to lose that 100. She can't even drop in the hole and get up back and still win. And this is no disrespect to the great Shelley and Fraser Price, Shericka Jackson, and Tina Clayton. But as it is right now, the Jamaicans will be competing for the minor placings. And you know that me saying this and saying that, this is one of those pronouncements that hopefully I will get absolutely wrong. And that come that 100 meters final on championship day, one of Tina, Shericka, or Shelley will prove the Maverick strong and run so we can all sing a different song. Ole!